Remember, it's latex. So, help me now. Okay. Oh. So I'm just gonna put it on the first hook, unless you wanna watch me pass out. Okay. Kind of a struggle to put it on. So I'm gonna have to lift this up like this. And that's the first one. Okay, second one. And boy, I can feel the tightness already. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm dying. Okay. Maybe over exaggerating just a little bit, but you are gonna feel this tightness in this. You might, when you put it on, be like, I can't do this. You can't do it. First time I put it on, I couldn't do it. I felt like I was gonna die. But the more you wear it, is the more it gets fitted into your body. So that way, it'll be easier to put on. Now, the easier you can put it on, that means if it's too easy to put on, that means you need to go a size up. Okay, finished product. Oop-doo. Here it is, you guys. Here it is. From the side, there you go. Right there. Right there, right there. So you can see, here's the back. It's just, there you go. It's straight. I've been wearing it kind of, so it's kind of bended out of shape. But here it is with no show. You can't see it. Just put your pants on. It's nothing. Look how snatched it is. Only thing, it pushes your boobies up. If you got big boobies, it's gonna be up there. Unless you